Looking down from 2 miles above the surface of the Earth, it's impossible not to be impressed by the sheer grandeur, splendor, and power of the natural world. But perhaps most impressive of all is just how very flat it is. No matter where you venture on this humble disk of ours, you will encounter flatness. From the arid sands of the Sahara Desert to the shimmering waters of the Palawan coast. Everywhere you look, guess what? It's flat. 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 Here we are at the ends of the Earth, Antarctica. Of course, while the flatness of our planet may be awe-inspiring, it presents many dangers for the natural world. While these penguins may look cute, in truth, they are some of the bravest creatures on Earth. They live in constant danger of wandering off the edge of the planet. Here is a curious lad. What were to happen if I jumped off the side of the planet, he wonders to himself. He makes the leap to find out. Sadly, this young flightless bird is now destined to fall forever through the endless recesses of space. Wherever he is going, we cannot follow. And yet even further away still, on Australia's Great Barrier Reef, we meet these young hatchlings. Every year, hundreds of sea turtles are born here and venture off into the water, but only a small handful return as fully grown adults. The reason is clear. They are cosmic beings whose flippers double as wings to propel them off the edge of the Earth, soaring into the great unknown. Farewell, space turtles. Perhaps one day you'll come back and share your space wisdom with us. Of course, some may continue to operate under the notion that the Earth is not flat, but in fact a rotating sphere. But creatures like this frog, this kangaroo, and even this grasshopper will happily tell you otherwise. For if the Earth was truly rotating underneath them, would they not land in a different spot from whence they jumped? Even we of the species Homo sapiens must never forget that this flat Earth belongs to all of nature's creatures, from the tiny shrew to the colossal blue whale, and to the mutant lizard people who live in the hollow tunnels millions of miles below the Earth's surface, developing technology for our Illuminati overlords. We are all lucky to call this flat Earth our home. Join us next time when we explore the Hollow Earth.